Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to announce or post a new job on LinkedIn. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in linkedin.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official LinkedIn website, from which if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials to log in. Once you are taken into the homepage and logged into your account, if you wish to create a new job post, click on the jobs option at the top section and now you will see the post a free job option. Go ahead and click on it. And now you will be able to create your job post. Just enter the job title within the title section and then enter your company name. You can then choose your workplace type from on-site, hybrid or remote. Then enter the employee location within the location section. Now select your job type from the various options that are available. You can then proceed forward with writing the description of your job using AI by clicking on Write with AI, or you can also write it on your own by clicking on Write on my own. After entering your description, you can click on the next button and fill up the LinkedIn jobs section, and now your job will be ready to be posted. Once you finalize this process, it will be displayed within the jobs section within LinkedIn, and you will get various requests once you start posting it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to announce or post a new job on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.